Okay, y'all, the weirdest thing is happening. So, this bird's been following me for like 10 minutes. I've been walking for 10 minutes. It's been following me. It's so weird. I'm scared. I'm scared for my life. So, you know that thing? The one where people think birds are just a part of the government and they spy on you? Well, I think that's what they're doing. They're following me, trying to find my secrets, trying to reveal my secrets to the world. They think I'm doing something illegal. I'm not. I'm a legal person. I'm just videoing in the middle of my neighborhood. They've been like dive bombing. Did it up close, carrying a camera. I think they might think I'd be stealing other people's secrets. It's the same bird for 10 minutes. Who does that? No birds do that. They're stupid. They only bounce out of the way when cars come. And now they want to follow me? It ain't right. I can hear him too. He'll tweet. I'll hear him behind me. All of a sudden he's in front of me. He disappears. I'm worried. They want to steal my secrets. Ruin my life. And what's with that anyway? I thought they were changing the batteries. I thought that's what quarantine was for. Changing batteries. Well, apparently, they've already ended up in Erie County because, holy smokes, that was fast. Look, hey, I'm gonna turn the camera around. He's over there. He's right over there. He's been following me. Someone ran by me. Sorry. I have to stay 6 feet away from you guys too. Anyway, they keep dive bombing me. See if I'll spill my secrets. Hopefully, they won't. I didn't do nothing wrong. Put my taxes in on time. Tax season. Yeah, I know. I feel like they're videotaping me. You know what I mean? And what's with birds anyway? If they're part of a government scheme, then why is there so much poop on my car? They're just cameras. Why do they poop? They eat things the size of their eyes. I don't get it. Bugs, the size of their eyeballs. How do they have so much poop in them? I don't get it. Come outside. My car is just covered. It's like, I don't know how you could accumulate so much crap when all you do is eat tiny insects and worms. They're so tiny. Like, you can't, I don't even see them eat that much. They haven't even been here long enough. They were getting their batteries changed. So why on earth do I find so much poop? And why is the same bird been following me for 10 minutes? He's right in the tree. He's right over there. I don't know if you can see, but he's right there. It's terrifying me. I don't get it. Why me? What have I done? I make ridiculous videos of myself on the internet. Go look at those if you want to see what I'm up to. I can hear him chirping. He's probably about to dive bomb me again. Oh, car. He looks at me funny. I think he knows I'm talking to someone. I'm not talking to anyone on the phone. Just you. Anyway, where was I? I saw him again. Told you, he was behind me. Now he's in front of me. He knows how to get my secrets, make me feel weak. Make me feel watched. I didn't notice him at first. I discovered him because I was watching the birds at first. Then I kept seeing him pop up again on repeat. I kept watching him. So then I knew. The government's watching me for my secrets. The sun hurts my ass, sorry. Now, I'm running for dear life. Why are they watching me? What have I done? And why do they want to poop on my car so bad? Is it the government playing a prank? They just like to prank people on walks now? It's quarantine, we're stressing out already. I don't get it. And if you're gonna use them as spy stuff, why make them hop around? They get hit like every day. Almost hit, I guess. Because when you're driving, they'll like hop along the road. And then when you get closer, they still hop. They don't fly away. They should know they have wings. Another thing too, why are there so many? Do they have one for every person in the United States? In the world? Or is it like 10 to 1? Because they're starting to accumulate. My spies friends, they're coming after me. I don't know what for. But I'm being watched by the whole government. Look, here's one now. Look, look. Did you see that? Did you see that? He deliberately turned his head toward me when I was coming. He's recording me, recording you. No, recording me. Because I'm recording, you're not recording. That'd be weird. Just like the government. They're recording me. And the thing is, if they do poop, are they made of electronics? Are they the electronic? And that woman was not looking where she was going while driving. The government should be watching you, not me. Anyway, where was I? The birds. Are they made of the mechanics? Then why do they poop? Or did they just use birds as vessels for cameras? Thinking, if I save a bird and find any video on it, I'll show it to you. I don't trust them. Yeah, I don't trust them. But there's cameras on them. And they have like those little headsets in spy movies. They can control them, like brainwashing and mind control. Like I said, mind control. And if I find it, I'm thinking, so the birds aren't the machine. They're not changing the batteries in the birds. They're changing the batteries of the cameras on the birds. I understand now. I understand now. That's alright. Still being watched. It's like 6 now. I think I'm just gonna die here, maybe. Maybe they're rushing an attack because they've been swooping. They've been swooping at me. They know where I live because I walk around the block. Around the houses. So they know where I live too. I mean, of course they do. They're the government. But what do you mean? It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I'm fine. You're fine. We're all gonna be fine. Because you're still changing some of those batteries. I'm gonna run for my life now. Like, subscribe, comment, whatever.